Year wouldn't be New Year without Big Ben announcing it. 1998 was no different. So there was, for the first time, another show in town for the New Year festivities. The Thames, downstream of Tower Bridge, hosted a fireworks spectacular which attracted many thousands of onlookers. 5,000 rockets, Roman candles and the like soared up to 1,000 feet into the London night sky. The crowd of revellers seemed well impressed with the pyrotechnics. So the Tower has laid down the gauntlet to Trafalgar Square as the place to celebrate the New Year. Contrast the subdued crowds in Trafalgar Square with the exuberance here on the banks of the Thames. David Bowden, Sky News, Tower Bridge.
We're watching one of the biggest fireworks displays that London has seen, certainly one of the biggest since VJ Day celebrations at this same spot. There are something like 5,000 rockets being fired skywards, and all these fireworks, in fact, are being blasted off from a pontoon in the centre of the Thames.